In this video we will see how to do the scaling in AutoCAD. The scale command can be found under the modified toolbar here. The scale, so this enlarges or reduces selected object. If you want to enlarge or if you want to reduce the selected object, then you can go for the scale command. The command line for the scale is SCALE scale. You can enter that in command window, or you can just select the scale menu in modified toolbar. Click on the scale, and now we have to select the objects. I'll select the object, this thing, and after selecting the object, press enter, and now we have to specify the base point to scale. From where we need to scale, click that base point anywhere on the drawing area. I'll click this point, and now we have to specify the scale. So how much scale we have to enlarge it or reduce it. If you want to enlarge it, enter the value greater than 1, and if you want to reduce it, enter the value less than 1, between 0 and 1. And now I'll enlarge it first. I'll enter it 2 times. I just wanted to increase the scale by 2 times, and press enter, and now we go to enlarged objects. And now the same thing will go for reducing the size of this object. Then I'll select the objects and then press enter, and now specify the base point, and after specifying the base point, enter the value between 0 and 1. I'll enter 0.25 for reducing the object. You can see now I'll press enter, and the object is reduced. This is how the scaling can be used in AutoCAD to enlarge or reduce the sizes of the objects in drawing.